Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create a landing page on Shopify. It's very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you will end up over here once you log in your Shopify account. What you're gonna do, click on settings and click on apps and sales channel. Click on that, click on Shopify App Store. It will take you right over here and what you're gonna find for Pagefly landing page builder. You can also search that or you can see at the front over here Pagefly landing page builder. It is specifically for the landing pages, so this is one of the best and obviously it is integrated to Shopify very well. Once you click on that, you will end up over here and here just need to click on install. It's free, as you can see, free to install, and there are maybe some charges for different premium plans, but for now I'm just going to click on install and after that click on install application. So as you can see, they are going to link my Pagefly to Shopify. Once you click on that, you will end up over here. You can also go ahead and watch the video if you want. Create your first page from over here, enable page fly analytics. So there's a lot of stuff over here which you can do. But for now, I'm going to click on this and start creating pages. Once you click on that, you can see we can go ahead and click on uh, create from template, or you can go ahead and work on blank page. So I'm going to create a from a template and I would prefer that go for the templates. So once you click on that, you can see we have so many options over here. So for this tutorial, I'm going with the regular option. Once you click on that, you will see the whole library of templates, as you can see over here. And these are from different industries out there. You can even search that at the top if you want to go for the specific, like from the type industry. Obviously, if you have industry for, clothing, which I use, so you can just go ahead and use that. If you have a industry for electronics, just click on that and you can see we will have related to that. So let's just say if you want to use this one, right? Click on this and you will end up over here. You can even also review it preview it before you go in. As you can see, you can also preview it and from desktop and also mobile version also. So this is one of the good way in my opinion. So if I go back to regular page and search for that industry, and after that's like this preview, and you can see on the left side we have like used on 1352 pages. People have used this, and there's a lot of stuff going on over here. In my opinion, this is one of the best out there. So just click on select template and you can see we have a lot of stuff going on over there. And obviously you can edit every single thing over here. Just click on this. On the right side, you will see the properties and you can start editing on it. If you want to add something, you can add that from the left side. As you can see, add element, click on that. You can see we have so many things over here which you can choose from. It's a very different tutorial related to Pagefly. If you want that, just comment down below. So once you end up doing every single thing over here, let's just say you have created your landing page, what are you going to do? Click on the top right corner, click on save. It will ask you to page title. Obviously it's a demo page, and once you click on the page title, click on save. After that, it will say after saving you have to publish the page to make it go live, so just remember that. So just click on save and you will see the publish option also over there. So what I'm going to do, enabling allows you to automatically save changes, enable, and click on publish. So as you can see, this is a page URL and publish. We are giving one free slot to publish pages section, and after publishing this page, you will need to upgrade. So just remember that, right? Click on publish, wait for a while. So my page has been published, and obviously if you want to edit more, you can also do that and click on publish also. If you want to see this through different platforms from your laptop or from your tablet, you can also do that on the top right corner, as you can see. Once you publish this, what you're going to do, go back to your home screen, click on online store, click on pages. You will see that you have your demo page over here, obviously your landing page over here. You can even view it from over here. Once you click on that, this is the page which we have created, right? And obviously we didn't add anything, so that's why it's showing up like this. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to create a landing page on Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.